Jai Hind. If you desire to wearing of uniform, if you see yourself leading from front, if the nation first is the feeling in your heart, then this video is for you. I, Colonel Pandey, talking about gateway to become an officer in Defense Forces through Service Selection Centers, SSBs. Their locations across the country, from Allahabad to Calcutta, from Jalandhar to Bangalore. So, gentlemen, remember, SSB does not select bookworms. It selects leaders. Jai. As we know that our defense forces are comprised with Army, Navy and Air Force. All these forces are having their different selection centers. They are selecting their officers. Army is having 12 SSB centers, and Air Force and Navy both are having 5 each. So today we will discuss about the location of these centers, where they are, and it is required to be known for every aspirant. Where are these SSBs, in which locations? So in the service selection centers of Indian Armed Forces, we'll start with the Army. Army is having first service selection center is the Allahabad, which is known as SSB Allahabad, Prayagraj. It was established in 1957, and it is consisting of 5 selection boards. This is the largest selection center, and 11 SSB, 14 SSB, 18 SSB, 19 SSB and 34 SSB. All 5 SSBs are located at Allahabad. Second service selection center of Army is SSB Bhopal. It was established in 1975, and it is known as Service Selection Central of Central India. It is consisting of 3 that they are 20 SSB, 21 SSB and 22 SSB. Third is SSB Bangalore, which is covering the south portion of our country. It was one of the oldest one. It was established in 1949, and it is known as Selection Center South. It is consisting of 2 SSBs, 17 and 24 SSB. Fourth SSB is called, covering the western part of our country. It is the latest new one, and it was established in 2015. That was in Jalandhar. Sometimes it was shifted to the Kapurthala. Earlier Kapurthala was made. So now it has been reshifted to Jalandhar. So it is selection center, and 2 SSBs are there, 31 SSB and 32 SSB. So gentlemen, these 4 selection centers are there of selection of officers cadre in the Army. Now we will go for the selection centers of Air Force, and there are 5 selection centers at various places. First is selection center, selection board is Dehradun, which is in Uttarakhand. 1962 it was established. And second Air Force selection board is Mysore, Karnataka. And third selection board is Air Force selection board is in Gandhinagar, Gujarat, Ahmedabad. It was established in 2012. And Air Force Selection Center Varanasi is one of the oldest one. That is 1964. It was in Varanasi. And fifth is Air Force Selection Center at eastern part of, that is Guwahati. So The Guwahati is covering the northeastern states of the candidates of northeast states. Navy, and Navy is also consisting of 5 selection boards. First selection board is Coimbatore Naval Selection Board as Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Second is 12 SSB Bangalore. It is known as 12 SSB in Karnataka. It is, and third is 33 SSB Bhopal. Bhopal is also having another board which is taking the candidates of Navy also. That is 33 board. That is apart from the Army 5 boards. Naval Selection Board Kolkata is also one of the new one. In 2019 it was established. And last is Naval Selection Board Visakhapatnam. These are the selection boards of all 3 forces for the selecting the officers cadets for the Army, Navy and Air Force. Please remember, gentlemen, that as I had told you earlier, that SSB is searching and selecting for the leaders. It doesn't require bookworm. So be ready. My next video will be very helpful for you for the preparation of SSB, and I'll try my best to give you the various steps, various points, do's and don'ts of SSBs, which will certainly help you to achieve their aim. It is my best wishes to all my friends, those who wants to become an officer in Defense Forces. Jai Hind.